Okay, Mike Martin here for Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you live from the American Trifive Association's California Dreamin' Tour, presented by California Car Cover, also by Danchuk Manufacturing. Hey, live at Danchuk Manufacturing, and have you seen a prettier sight? Almost the entire crew on the tour has shown up to Danchuk Manufacturing today. I count about 11 Tri-Fives down there. We got our truck that kind of came along with us, parked here as well. We had some other cars. There's a 61 Impala over there, and that 71 Chevrolet. They were along for the tour. But I just had to climb up on the roof here and take this vantage point. I took some pictures here. I got a crew of people I got to go down and talk to here in just a few minutes. But what an awesome trip, like I was saying before. Get out and drive these cars. Don't keep them in your garages. Don't hang on to them. Restore them, drive them, get them running in any condition. Just go out and enjoy the car. Take a kid to a car show. We need the next generation of our builders and our people to support our hobby. Have a good one. Take care. We'll talk to you soon. This is Mike from Danchuk Manufacturing. We'll see you soon.